What's up, fixers? So I was having a problem with this Escalade where the dash was completely just losing its mind. Just bling bling. Here, let me show you. And it is the most annoying thing in the world. It just goes off and goes off and goes off, and then it's fine for a while, and then it goes off, and it's like, it was driving me nuts. So I got onto some forums to figure out maybe what was going on, try a few things out, and this is what I found, and this is what I did to fix it. So here I am on the driver's side door, and then I'm gonna go right underneath, right there is a ground. This ground, if it's not quality, will cause your dash lights to go off and can potentially cause some weird issues with your transmission. Oh, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna clean both the little coupler thing, or the little plate, I don't know what the hell you call that thing, whatever that thing's called. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna clean the surface, I'm gonna clean it, and then I'm gonna put it back, and then we're gonna see if that crazy dash going nuts thing goes away. So I'll bring you back here in a second, and I'll show you what I'm done, because I can't do this and film at the same time. I'm sure you guys know how to take a bolt out and clean a surface. You can use sandpaper. I'm going to use a wire brush on a drill. All right, and I'm gonna clean it that way. But you can use sandpaper, you can use a wire brush, you can use use a screwdriver and scrape the shit out of it. I don't know. You can use all kinds of stuff, but that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna bring you back and I'm gonna show you when I'm done. So there you go. Ground the surface. Move that over there. Ground the surface right here, nice and clean. Used wire brush. So nice and clean. I did the same thing on the inside of this, nice and clean. I'm gonna put the bolt back on now. 10mm bolt, yeah, because nothing's American anymore, so 10mm. All right, I cleaned off the bolt too. All right, I'm gonna put all that back together. I'm gonna hit the outside of this with some spray paint to kind of protect it. All right, I don't want it, getting all rusty and nasty, so if I do that, but I'm gonna do that after I tighten it down. Make sure it has a quality ground, then I'm gonna hit it. There she is, she's all done, cleaned up, put back on. There you go, covered her up. Use some red, why not? Nobody can see it. And I got a whole can of it that I'm never gonna probably use for anything else, so I might as well use it here. So I've protected it now. Give it a little more. Protected it now with some spray paint. And we will see if this fixes the dash cluster going ape shit, going crazy, freaking out, going nuts. As you can see, there's no lights on the dash. Now, obviously, the little mileage screen there is broken. I don't know if I mentioned that before. You can see it at night if you look rather closely, but that's neither here nor there. Anyways, you can see there's no lights on the dash. It's been 2 weeks now, and I haven't had any of all the lights coming on in the dash going crazy. Ever since I redid that ground, it has been quiet. I'm gonna take it, and I'm gonna say that's a win. There's no guarantee that if you're having a similar issue that is the cause. I don't even know. I just kind of looked it up online, went into a couple forums, found that as a potential possibility, and gave it a shot. So far, it's working. So you can give it a shot, if nothing else. Just make sure you disconnect your battery in order to reset everything, and then redo the ground with the battery disconnected. Give it a good half hour before you reconnect the battery, and who knows, maybe it'll fix it for you too. Anyways, good luck. Little tip, if you got anything out of this, if it worked out for you, like and subscribe.